Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how Glorify, the new, amazing, affordable, powerful graphics editor, really good for people into e-commerce and online marketing. I'm going to show you how it can remove backgrounds from objects so you can use it with other templates. Welcome to sharingyourpassion.com. I'm Chill, and my goal is to help you transform your passions into an online business. I will assist you with creating WordPress websites, online courses, email automation, membership sites, social media and how to make it work for you, sales and marketing, and more. Basically, you provide the passion and I provide assistance, and let's work to get your dreams realized. Subscribe and click the notification bell to set your dreams in motion. Okay, let's click on social media. Let's use one of their templates. This is a Facebook template here. And let's pick one of these. Let's choose this one, the one with the microphone. Okay, now let me upload one of my images. Let's go to My Files. Here you'll see Uploads. Okay. And let's bring her in. Reposition her. Well, we'll fix that later. Okay, to remove the background of this image, of this lady, that yellow background, click the BG remover, background remover. So it loads two panels. This panel is your work panel, and this panel is the result of what you're doing over here. Okay. It's as simple as clicking this plus sign, which is what you want to keep. Just draw within her boundaries. Okay, and here, and here. Okay, now second step is to click the minus sign and put marks where you don't want it to show you. And now you can see it already grabbed all of that background, and it only leaves this portion and this portion and this portion. So let's go over here and click it. Okay, that's fixed. Now this area, let's fix that. So cool. And it fixed that also because it's the same shade as that. And look at that, the background is gone. Oop, she has a little thing here that we can fix that. So to fix something that small, we have to zoom in. Okay, let's zoom in. A little bigger. And the trick here is when you're zoomed in too much and it's out of view, on Windows, click Shift. I'm sure this works on Apple as well. Click Shift, and then the hand appears. That means you can drag. Left click to drag. I'm still holding down Shift and I'm dragging to the spot I need to get to. Okay, so we need to remove that. Let's just give that a click with the red mark, and it's fixed. Let's zoom back out with this, and we have a perfectly background removed object. And we're done. And it's going to disappear. There you go. Look at that. Let's use some minor edits here. Let's grab that text over here. Let's move her there, then grab the text. Let's move that down here. Let's move her back into the focus. Let's shrink the mic. There you go. We have an image we can work with. Can make this circle bigger to include her shoulders. And there, that's something that's workable, right? You can use that for selling microphones, or selling a singing coaching service. All kinds of things you can do. Okay, let's try a different kind of image. So you could download that and upload it to your website. You can save that into your cloud. It saves it right into the Glorify cloud. Let's pick a different type of image. Let's go back to our dashboard. Here's where the cloud files are. All the stuff I've done before. And let's go back to social media. Click that Facebook wall post. And now let's try a different template. So many templates to choose from. Let's just go with this. And let us upload another one of my files. Upload. And let's grab this one. Okay, so let's resize that. Let's get rid of the boot. Press delete. It's gone. Okay, now let's do the BG remover. Background remover. Here's the double panel. And again, let's do the green marker on the inner edges of our object, and then the red marker. Okay, it already pulled out this background, it left this background. It's doing it by colors, and so this is lighter than that, so it left this, so you have to click that area. Okay, and just this little piece here. That looks pretty good, and it includes the shadow that I wanted to keep. That's done. Simple, quick, easy, powerful. And it's going to disappear in a second. There. Now, we have a nice car with no background, and we can just edit this to whatever we want. Nice. Car. So everything here is editable. Can move this around. So it's just super easy to remove the background of any image or object you want and place it into one of the templates, the many hundreds of templates they have here. I hope this shows you how to use Glorify to really make you efficient in outputting a lot of your image requirements for ads, for thumbnails, for website design graphics. Yeah, I mean, this almost makes you a professional graphics designer because you are working off of impressive, beautiful templates where you just edit it to your own branding. And with this background remover, it maybe brings this to the top of the list in best, affordable, easy to use graphics software for practically everybody. I hope you found this useful, and if so, please give the video a like. Let me know down in the comment section below if you have other questions that I haven't addressed, and I'll certainly get back to you as soon as I can. I'll be doing more videos like this, so subscribe and click the notification bell to see those. And remember, it's my mission to give you the tools and inspiration to help you build your online business and transform your passion into success.